Did you know your body is constantly working to eliminate toxins, but sometimes it needs a little extra help? What if I told you that the secret to feeling lighter, more energized, and healthier is already in your kitchen? Stay tuned, because today we're revealing the 10 best foods to detox your body naturally, and some of these might surprise you. Before we dive into the list, let's talk about why detoxing matters. Every day, we're exposed to pollutants, processed foods, and stress, which can overwhelm our natural detox systems. But here's a question for you. Did you know your liver processes over 1 liter of blood every single minute to filter out toxins? Crazy, right? That's why supporting your body with the right foods is so important. Let's get into it. Here are the 10 best foods to naturally detox your body. And don't forget to stick around until the end, because number 7 is a game changer you probably haven't heard of. 1. Lemon. Starting with a classic, lemon. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, lemons boost your liver's ability to flush out toxins. Plus, they alkalize your body, helping to balance pH levels. Did you know that warm lemon water first thing in the morning can kickstart your digestion? Try it tomorrow and let us know how you feel. 2. Garlic. Garlic isn't just for flavor, it's a detox powerhouse. It contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes, helping your body eliminate toxins. Fun fact, ancient Egyptians used garlic for strength and endurance. Who knew your favorite pasta ingredient had such a rich history? 3. Avocado. Avocados are more than just a trendy toast topping. They're rich in glutathione, a compound that helps your liver filter out harmful substances. Plus, they're loaded with healthy fats to keep you full and satisfied. Ever wondered why avocados are called a superfood? Now you know. 4. Beets. Beets are like a natural cleanse for your liver and blood. They're high in betalains, which help break down toxins and support their elimination. Here's a question. Have you ever tried beet juice? It's a vibrant, nutrient-packed way to detox, just don't be surprised if it turns your urine pink. 5. Green tea. Swap your coffee for green tea. It's loaded with catechins, antioxidants that enhance liver function and boost fat burning. Did you know that green tea can also improve brain function? It's a win-win for your body and mind. 6. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, etc. Leafy greens are nature's detoxifiers. They're high in chlorophyll, which helps remove heavy metals and toxins from your bloodstream. Fun fact, chlorophyll is what gives plants their green color, and it's what can help you feel more vibrant too. 7. Chlorella. Here's the one you might not know, chlorella. This freshwater algae is a detox superstar, binding to heavy metals and toxins to help your body eliminate them. It's also packed with nutrients like iron and vitamin B12. Have you ever tried chlorella? Let us know in the comments. 8. Ginger. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory that aids digestion and helps your body expel waste. It's also great for soothing an upset stomach. Pro tip, add a slice of ginger to your lemon water for an extra detox boost. 9. Turmeric. Turmeric isn't just a spice, it's a healing herb. Curcumin, its active compound, supports liver detoxification and reduces inflammation. Did you know that adding black pepper to turmeric increases its absorption by up to 2000%? Science is amazing. 10. Apples. An apple a day really can keep the doctor away. Apples are high in pectin, a fiber that helps remove toxins from your digestive tract. Plus, they're a great snack for on-the-go detoxing. What's your favorite way to eat apples? Let us know below. Now that you know the top 10 detox foods, here's a bonus tip: stay hydrated. Water is essential for flushing out toxins, so aim for at least 8 glasses a day. And don't forget to pair these foods with a balanced diet and regular exercise for the best results. Feeling inspired to give your body a natural detox? Hit the like button if you learned something new today, and share this video with someone who needs a health boost. Don't forget to subscribe to Active Life Insights for more tips on living your best, healthiest life. And tell us in the comments which of these foods are you adding to your diet first? Let's start a conversation. Thanks for watching, and remember your health is your greatest wealth. See you in the next video.